Hi, I'm Bruce with Trick Tools. Today I want to show you this Fein MultiMaster kit that's available only at Trick Tools. This is the 700 Max Basic kit. We've worked out a deal with Fein to be able to offer this, and right now you can't get it anywhere else. So this kit includes the Fein 700 Max. It's a brushless motor, top of the line MultiMaster. Fein is actually the inventors of the oscillating tool, and this is their top of the line. It is vibration isolated, has lots of power, and is good for all day, everyday use. Features the Starlock mounting system. Just seconds, you need no tools and a real quick change over there. So you get one blade included, you get two 3 amp hour batteries, and the ALG80 Rapid Charger. Gives you everything you need. You can just add whatever accessories fit your application. Now you may think of the MultiMaster type tool as more of like a home improvement or woodworker's tool. There's actually several great applications in the auto body, fabrication, and repair industries. We can do a lot of different things with the multi-tool. You can cut metal. It leaves a really thin cut, like a 32nd of an inch, with a very narrow blade and a very precise cut. We can do sanding in tight areas. You can get into places in rocker panels or door jambs where you can't really get with a DA sander at all. We can polish with the polishing pads. You can buff headlights, you can polish out small, hard to get to spots. These E-cut blades with the carbide tips on them are great for reaching in hard to get places. You can cut bolts off. You can cut off rusted fasteners where you maybe can't get a 3-inch abrasive cutoff wheel. There's no sparks. It's a really safe tool to be able to use in difficult applications. There's also scraper blades that are great for cutting windshield sealant, clearing off undercoating, auto body sealant, that kind of things in preparation for doing patch panels or other types of repairs. Check out all the applications and accessories that we have for this kit on our website, Trick-Tools.com. Thanks for watching.